Hi guys, my name is Nishtha Singh and I am from UP, and today I am starting a series related to any kind of topic but in English. Like I have to speak only English and recording myself just 5 to 10 minutes on any kind of topic and upload a video per week. In this world there are a lot of people who are feeling depression, who are feeling lonely, who are not happy within their self, and they are just feeling lonely even though they are pretending to be happy but they are not. So I thought I have to talk, that's why I choose this topic, mental health awareness. And in this video I am sharing few points that will help you to get rid of your that negative era zone. So let's get into the video. My first point is connect with nature. If you are dealing any kind of these things, so my first point is connect with nature. I'll tell you why. Because we are so much busy in our life, we completely forget go to the nature, go to the park, go to like anywhere where you find plants, fresh air, and under the sky. We are just forgetting. But in our childhood, we play a lot of time. But in our childhood, we spend a lot of time in the nature. We play outside. In this but in this time, even though parents are not even sent to their children to play outside, their children play only in their home inside, like whether it's iPad, mobile, iPhone, etc. But I think we have to spend our time in the nature, and that's very important. And my first point is that. My second point is that connect with other. If you are dealing any kind of these points, please connect with others. I know you are feeling very lonely and you feel not to talk anyone, but please get rid of your that zone and talk with anyone. If you have good friends, talk with your friend. If you have supportive family, talk to your family. But if you haven't anyone to talk, so you can talk like any stranger on, you can talk on one to one. And you can't do that, so you can talk on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Like you can literally find, and there is a plus point on that point, that if you share your feelings, your emotions with a stranger, so you have plus point that they are not judge you because they don't know you. So you can share your emotion feeling easily and happily, and you don't have pressure that what the other person will think about you you because they don't know you, so they will not judge you. Simple. But please talk with anyone and share and talk. And the second point, if you are not comfortable to talking anyone, so you can do one thing also. Just write down all things in a notebook. Simply write down all your thoughts, all your emotions in a notebook. And simple. Number third point is that move your body and be active. And I know that is sound very simple point, and I know you heard this point a lot of time, but this is very helpful point and this is really worked. That's why I tell you. So be active. Like I know in this time we don't need to do anything, our mind is stuck and we are feeling so negative. And we our mind and our feeling is telling us again and again that you can't do anything, and just laying, and we are not doing anything. We just laying down on our bed and thinking just. So I will tell you that be active. If you are feeling to do anything, do it. But if you are not feeling to do anything, still please do it. When you are stuck, and when you are sitting on a place and laying down on your bed on a whole day, your mind gives you a sign that you can't do anything, and you are forced to yourself enter in a negative zone more. So that's why I tell you that please be active, move your body, do anything, and do the things you like. Like you can do dance, you can do yoga, exercise, go to the gym, go to your favorite place, any go to any restaurant, anywhere. But please move your body and go outside, be active. Number four point is that eat whole foods and hydrate. Like you like try to eat healthy food, try to eat home food, and as much as possible you can try, please eat your home food. And if you can't do that, if you are living alone, so please try to make food at your home. Please give your time and try to eat clean diet. Like you can try healthy juices, and one more thing, please avoid junk food as much as possible. Please avoid junk food. When we eat outside food, oil processed food, and so much junk food, like we automatically feel drained, and we automatically drain our energy. So please avoid junk food and eat healthy food. Number five and last and very important point, get enough sleep. At least 7 to 9 hours. Please take. I know we can't sleep peaceful at that time and we are just scrolling our phone. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just trying to take enough sleep, because when you are not getting enough sleep, you are feeling so anxious, and day by day you are becoming so anxious, and you feel more negativity in your life, you feel more negative vibes in your life. So please trying to get enough sleep. Enough sleep is not that just you are sleep anytime. No, no, no. Sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. Like you are sleeping at 2 p.m. and you are wake up around at 11 12 a.m. in the morning. No, 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 big no. Please try to sleep early as much as possible. You can try like 10 p.m., 11, like before 12 p.m. you can try. And please try to wake up early, like 7 6 6 a.m., 7 a.m. That is okay, because if you are wake up late in the morning, so you feel your energy more drained. So please wake up early. Because so these are my five simple points related to mental health awareness.